So what actually happened during that time was I spilt a bunch of it on the bench and had to pick it all up with tweezers, put it in a beaker, and make it a little easier to manage. Apparently, these things never seem to get into the videos that you watch online. Um, and in this case, I was lucky it was cut, but it happened. So now we're going to incinerate our clippings to get the oil and grease off them. Then we're going to drop them into that beaker of water to cool them. I just use an oxyacetylene torch for just about everything. Some people have a lot of different torches, propane, MAP, you name it. This is what I'm using. You use what you want. There's some small wire down in the bottom, which was hard to access there. But most of this is very thin and airy, so you can get to it really easily. Once we get this beaker a little lower, we'll be able to pour it right in. We don't want to melt it. If we melt it, it makes a big blob, an alloy blob, which will never dissolve. It does dissolve. It just takes a lot longer. It's a mess. Just get it good and red. That's all you need. There's not much oil on these. This hasn't been in use ever, so it's just production material. Unfortunately, while this is incredibly clean material and really easy to refine and recover gold from, it makes it really difficult to pour out of a beaker because it's all tangled together, flat, thin pieces of stamped out material. The good thing is the heat goes right through all the air pockets there and heats almost all the way to the bottom. I've processed this several times now, and it's really, really easy to process. First time I did it, I thought I could do it without incinerating because it was such clean material, but it did in fact leave a black or gray film in my solution, which then got caught up in the filter and kind of complicated everything. So from that point forward, I incinerate. See, there's something there that just lit up. Should have did that probably some impurities of some sort. I know a lot of people say you get rich doing this. I haven't gotten rich yet, but I can tell you this much: it's it's cheap therapy. It's very enjoyable, stress relieving. If you sell what you refine, you don't lose anything. A lot cheaper than a good therapist. Oh, that didn't go well. You see little Disney characters and stuff there. It's the failed stamping process, the waste from making earrings and other types of jewelry out of gold fill. The material that couldn't get used and put on market is now here being repurposed. Okay, I'm going to clean up the little bit that missed the crucible, and I'll come back when we're ready to start processing and dissolving the base metal in this.